No, this is not my room. Anyway, you should have saw the look I just got. Anyways, so what are you doing to make extra income? Are you doing a second job? Is your first job enough? If it is, hey, that's great. Scroll on. You don't need me. But if you were like me and needed money, I was a DoorDasher. Okay, I was dashing. It was the only thing I could do that was fast, legit, real today, until I found this. So anyways, I was DoorDashing. I wasn't making enough, so I would have done this probably in addition to in the beginning. Anyways, DoorDashing, my truck died. So I lost my job and my truck in the same exact day. Do you have a backup plan? Do you have a way to make money in case something like that happens to you? Drop a how in the comments if you want to know.